Welcome back to the Hollis Over Garden. Many blessings to you all. So I am in the basement now, and I just received a package. This will be the quail's new home, if I can get it out of the box. Okay, so I have this on my little table I have for right now, but this is pretty cool. Let me color that. Okay. These come in a little packet. Made in the U.S. Okay. Then, I guess, we're going to see how this comes out. Okay. So I took that zip tie off. Take this zip tie. And I think I just pull this from under here. I believe, yes, okay, yes. Because I was confused, I'm gonna tell you. I'm like, how it doesn't open at the top? Okay, that's pretty tall. That's tall enough. And then take this one and pull it from under there. And then you gotta kind of turn it that way and pull it the rest of the way. Alright. Okay, got that part. And then, yeah. See, can I turn the camera around? Oops, sorry guys. No, I can't. So anyway, it's about that tall, so I'll be right back with the rest. I'm just gonna be honest. I think I set this up wrong because I think these are supposed to go in the back. Like this bolt, this here is supposed to be in the back, but I was more so looking at this to be in the front. But I think it's supposed to just slide in place like that. But if that was the case, I would have to do it upside down. So no, that's not right. The holes are there. So I guess, I don't know, guys. That is funny. So I'll probably have to watch their video to see, but I think I did this wrong. And then we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to put the tray in after I put the bottom part together. And then if it just doesn't come together, I'll just undo it and try it again. Like flip these around. But I don't think so. Actually, yeah, I think I did it right. I guess. Okay. So I guess I get it. So the tray will fit in here. Let's see. I will want the handle to be this way, so it could be easier. That's a big thing too. So it could be easier. Sorry guys, camera. I'm holding it for me to slide it out. But look at that. Is this magnetic? The heater cut on. What? Oh, okay. Okay, I was gonna say. Okay. And I'm going to just put shavings underneath so it's not so messy to clean. Oh, goodness. No. And this comes with a waterer, but I have to figure out how to do this. I don't know how it would siphon. So, I have no clue how to do this. Let me see what this says. Yeah, I would have to do more research on this, unless it'll just pull from it. I'm going to actually try it out to see if that works like that. But if not, it's fine. I'm just going to get it out the way and let it hang. They might be mad because there's no water in it, but I'm going to see if it'll just do it if you just put it in the water. Probably not. You know, don't laugh at me if you know that's not going to work, but I'll have to find out by myself, right? So all this research on everything, and I didn't even think about these, to look it up or anything about how they work. Yep, sure did. So let's see. The next thing is, excuse all the noise. Woo. Okay, so when you move it, that tray moves. Also, I got the box and everything in my way, so maybe I should have it going the other way, because it can come out this way. I was thinking it couldn't come out that way. So I will turn it. Okay, so I turned the tray around so the thicker part is here for me to just pull it out. I was going to put it right under the feeder, but I'm like, no, boo-boo over the food. If the food falls, whatever. So this is the gate for the feeder and egg roller. Let's see how this will work. This is pretty nice. I mean, you won't have to worry about food for a while, but that could be a problem too. So I think this was like this. I think. I don't even remember now how this was, to be honest. Oh, I so don't remember how this was. Okay, so I guess up here, because they are taller, so I will put it up here. It just seems better, but you would think it would tilt in a little more. I guess not. Yeah, I guess not. It doesn't tilt in, but I guess you gotta always have it filled for them to eat, because it's up this way, I guess. Let's see how good this will cover. Oh yeah, that's good. It does cover that. So any mice or anything, if you have a mouse problem or anything, they can't really get in, or they'll be deterred, I guess, to get in. And the eggs, yeah. Well, mice can get in there with them. I don't think they would want to. I would hope. So yeah, this is, I think that this will be better like in enclosed, like we are in, and in the basement and stuff like that, in the garage maybe, that doesn't have rats and mice and stuff, I would say. Because they can get in there with them. I don't think they would want to, but I'm just saying. I don't know. But, so we're going to transition them into this from out of, kicking stuff, from out of their old home, which will be the home for them. This one. So, yay. This is a spoiler alert, really, on the update on everything. So, videos that will be coming out, this is a spoiler for the coil. It's fine. Watch it anyway. But yes, this is from Wynola Ranch. It was actually pretty easy to put together. I was confused because I was like, does this go on that? And yeah, it wasn't confusing. I was just being extra. So I do like this cage. I'm not sure if this one is a stackable. I don't think so. But I have seven. Six big quail, adult quail, teenage quail, excuse me. And I thought they came with a divider, but I guess not. I thought it came with a divider. I really thought it did, but I guess not. And that's fine. I mean, they're all in the other hutch together, so that's good and fine. And then if I have a different setup, so it's all good. So this is their home. This will be their new home. And I'm pretty excited to get it started. So I'm going to put some shavings in there. They're going to be running all over the place. in their old home trying to get away. They're already looking like, what are you up to? So, yes, we'll get them going. Like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.